Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on ACER Iconia Tab P11. So you have to start by opening your internet browser. Then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com. And then you have to search something using your custom search engine. And then click on this three dots icon and then go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have yep.com, so you can select that and then you can go back, and as you can see my search engine is now changed to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.